Today we are learning about Christmas in Australia. Now, if you look at your world map, Australia is all the way over here, so way across from us, right? There's Australia. Now, before we get started, why don't you think about why do you think that they have sunglasses on in this picture? We haven't seen sunglasses in any of the other ones. You might find out soon. So Australia is in the southern hemisphere or bottom half of the earth. So right here it says the equator, and the equator goes all the way across here. It is on the bottom half of the earth. It's under the equator where we are above the equator. So that means it's in the southern hemisphere. We're in the northern hemisphere. So that means it is summer during Christmas. So that's why they have those sunglasses on. Look at this girl, she's in her bathing suit because it's hot there, right? During summer. Many families celebrate Christmas by going to the beach. How fun would that be? On Christmas Day, children spend time with their families and open presents. So just like us, but it's a different season, right? So once you're done with watching this video, head over to the next video. We're going to fill out our paper together. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to our Australia classroom and explore all you can about what Australia looks like and what Christmas is like in Australia.